Hey Crypto Nation, welcome back. Even if you're relatively new to crypto, you've probably seen the word Aave popping up here and there. Aave means ghost in Finnish, but with over $21 million of liquidity currently locked up in the platform, this is no fly-by-night DeFi project. Aave was actually the pioneering project behind the idea of crypto flash loans. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's glide right into it. At its core, Aave is a DeFi protocol built on Ethereum that allows users to lend, borrow, swap, and earn interest on cryptocurrencies without needing to go through a traditional bank. Users simply get access to the liquidity protocol by linking up their wallet and putting up collateral, meaning that there's no need to go through a lengthy application process or upload any documents or ID. And here's how it works. Say you have some ETH or another cryptocurrency that you don't want to sell but want to earn passive income on. You can deposit that crypto into Aave's protocol, where it gets pooled with other users' funds. Borrowers can then take out loans from that pool by locking up their collateral, and lenders can earn interest from the loans by staking their tokens. Now, all of this happens through smart contracts, which are the bits of code built into the Ethereum blockchain that automatically regulate the lending, borrowing, and interest distribution. Aave isn't just the name of the protocol, it's also the name of the project's native governance token. Holding Aave gives users somewhat of a say in how the protocol develops, as they can vote on important proposals that impact Aave's future. Plus, holding Aave also offers benefits like discounts on usage fees, and it can be staked on the platform to earn rewards. So, while you don't need Aave tokens to lend or borrow, they do give some perks to those who use the platform often. And what about these flash loans? Well, Aave first introduced them in 2020, and they are short-term, uncollateralized loans that need to be paid back within a single block transaction. Now, if they aren't paid back, the whole transaction is reversed. This allows users to do things like quick arbitrage trades or to pay off loans with little risk, as long as they can repay the loan right away. It's one of Aave's most unique offerings and has attracted a lot of interest from the DeFi curious. Another standout feature is Aave's flexible borrowing terms. Borrowers can choose between stable or variable interest rates, giving them more control over their lending costs based on market conditions. So, what's new with Aave in 2024? Well, the project has been evolving into Aave V3. This latest version brings some important upgrades like improved cross-chain compatibility, which means more users can attract assets more easily between different blockchains like Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. Plus, the Aave platform launched its own native stablecoin, GHO, in 2023, which is described as a decentralized and over-collateralized dollar-pegged coin, fully backed by the assets parked within the protocol. After a depegging adventure in 2023, GHO refound its $1 price in 2024 and has stayed pretty stable ever since. Version 3 of Aave also introduces improved risk management features like clearly displayed collateral health factors, a backstop against protocol insolvency, and risk monitors employed by the Aave DAO to promote continuous over-collateralization of borrowing positions to protect users and the protocol itself during market fluctuations. Another current area of focus is Aave's push into decentralized social media through a platform called Lens Protocol, where users can mint their social profiles as interoperable blockchain-based NFTs and then begin interacting with any application that is built on or integrated with Lens Protocol's social graph. Now, this means users and creators are not trapped on the platform they created their account on, and looks like it could be a contender for the future of Web3 social media. Add this to the backdrop of the current DeFi renaissance and ever higher amounts of TVL in Web3 applications, and it looks like Aave has much more than a ghost of a chance of success in the years to come. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more great crypto videos from Exodus.